Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to remove the update file now so the phone stops preparing to install. Open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. This lists the downloaded iOS package. Once you see the iOS update entry, tap it, confirm Delete Update, and that removes the installer from storage. Make sure to keep the device awake until deletion completes. This prevents partial files. If you used cellular and it restarted downloading, toggle airplane mode immediately to interrupt network activity. Once done deleting the file, stop the system from redownloading and auto-installing. Go to Settings General Software Update and open Automatic Updates. Switch off both download and install toggles. This prevents background downloads and overnight installs. Make sure to also check Settings App Store and disable app updates if you want fewer background network operations. If you rely on Wi-Fi, you can forget known networks briefly to prevent immediate redownload, then rejoin once you're ready. Now reboot the iPhone to ensure changes take effect and temporary caches clear. If the update still shows in Software Update, check Settings General VPN and Device Management for any beta or configuration profiles and remove them. Profiles can force updates. As a last resort, back up your device to iCloud or a computer and perform a restore via Finder or iTunes to remove stubborn installers. If you see errors, make sure your backup exists before restoring so you don't lose data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.